Okay, so here we have the Mark III sunroof and we're about to install it. So I think we're meant to use these holes here. There's 6 of them on that side, or 3 on each side, and then a few across the center. Okay, let's go install this now. Okay, I have it just resting up here on these little feet. One there, one there, so it's actually just hanging down. Now I'm going to use my bolts and bolt it up here, and then I can go around and put in the rest of the bolts. Okay, I now have the sunroof in. So just here, there's a little spike. It matches into this, so that's how you know that the sunroof is actually centered. And then you just go around and put in all your little bolts. There's 10 of them in total, so they go all the way around here, down to the end. And then obviously you put in your pipes in the 4 corners. And that's then the drains all installed. So I'm going to go around now with the impact and tighten them all in. And finally, for the Mark III Golf to install the sunroof, we're going to install the actual wiring. So that goes in there. Go and click. Okay, didn't make a click, but it's in now. And that's it. So obviously when we put power to it, hopefully it'll slide forwards, backwards and tilt up and down. Done.